Today our topic is linear equations in one variable of class 8. Today I am taking the word problem of exercise 2.2 and I am taking the question 1. First of all I will read the question. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 upon 2, you get 1 upon 8. What is the number? Now it's the word problem. अगर हम एक बार में लगातार जैसे पढ़ रहे हैं तो क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आएगा. सो यू रीड द क्वेश्चन 2 or 3 times and try to translate the question in your language. Now see, if you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number, subtract 1 upon 2, it means half को 1 upon 2 को subtract करना है किसी नंबर में से. सबसे पहली बात तो सिर्फ इतना ही पार्ट देखिए, किस नंबर में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना. सो हियर वी विल टेक द नंबर, we will suppose the number, let the number be, you can take any alphabet, let the number be x. Now if you subtract 1 upon 2 from the number, now subtract 1 upon 2 from this number, subtract 1 upon 2 from x, then what will we get? X minus 1 upon 2. Now next what is given? Multiply the result by 1 upon 2. कि इसको आपने जो result आया x minus 2, we have to multiply it with 1 upon 8. Now see, is it right? No. Now if we see this, we have multiplied 1 upon 8 only by 1 upon 2. But the result is x minus 1 upon 2. We have to multiply the result by the whole result by 1 upon 8. 1 upon result by 1 upon 2. Sorry. Now we have to multiply the result by 1 upon 2. Now here we have to multiply by 1 upon 2. You get 1 upon 8. It is equal to 1 upon 8. When we multiply the result by half, the answer is, the result is 1 upon 8. This is the question. Now this equation has become, now we can solve the equation. Now see, x minus 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is in multiplication. Now multiplication will go in division when we will change the side. 1 upon 8, it will become 2 upon 1. Now 2 is in denominator, it will go in multiplication. 1 is in multiplication, it will go in division. Or you can say 1 upon 2 will go in division and division is changed in multiplication. So 1 upon 2 will be changed into 2 upon 1. Now x minus 1 upon 2 equal to, here solve it, 1 by 4. Now what is the next step? X will remain here, half will go to the other side. 1 upon 2 is in subtraction, it will go in addition. Now 4 and 2 is in the denominator, take the LCM. 4 and 2 LCM will be 4. Now 4 ones are 4 and 1 ones are 1. Take the table of 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 ones are 2. Now it is equal to 3 upon 4. So the answer is, the number is 3 upon 4. You can check the answer in this question. See, is it right or wrong? Now see, x we have taken the number, subtract half from the number. 3 upon 4, इसमें से माइनस क्या किया था? हाफ. सी सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए. 4 3 minus 2 2s are 4, it will be 1 upon 4. Then multiply the result by half. 1 upon 4 into half, it will be equal to 1 by 8. See, the result is 1 by 8. It means our answer is right. So number is 3 upon 4. This is the right answer. This is one of the question, first question of exercise 2.2. I am taking one more question. I am taking now the third question of this exercise. I am writing first of all the question. The base of An isosceles triangle is 4/3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4/2/15 centimeter. What is the length? What is the length of the remaining sides? Of the remaining equal sides. Now see what is the question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4/3 centimeter. Base of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, first of all, what is the isosceles triangle? First, draw a small triangle in which two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. And base is given 4/3 centimeter. Then what is given the next? The perimeter of the triangle is 4/2/15 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the sides of the triangle. AB, BC, AC, total of these is 4/2/15 centimeter and base is 4/3 centimeter. Now it is not given what is the side of A, what is side AB and AC, what is the length of the remaining equal sides. Now here you will take the equal sides as, suppose the equal sides be x centimeter, and we can find out the perimeter. Here how will you start? We will start that let the equal sides of the triangle be x centimeter. Now find out the perimeter. Perimeter given is 4/2/15 centimeter. Here we have taken x and 4/3. First of all, you find out the perimeter according to supposed sides. Perimeter of equal side, perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to x plus 4/3, sum of all the three sides. Now perimeter is given, put here 4/2/15. Because triangle is same, so perimeter will be same. X plus x you add it, 2x plus 4/3. Now here it is given in mixed fraction. First of all, change the mixed fraction to improper. 15 4s are 60, 60 and 2, 62 upon 15 equal to 2x plus 4/3. Now what is a step here first? 4/3, you subtract 4/3 first. 62/15 minus 4/3 equal to 2x. Now 15 and 3, 62, 15 and 3, find out the LCM of 15 and 3. It will be 15. 3 5s are 15, 1s are 15, it is 15. So LCM is 15, 62, 15 1s are 15 and 162 को इंटू करेंगे तो then it will be 62. 3 को 15, 15 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, it will be 5 and 5 4s are 20. Now here 2x, 62 minus 20, you will get 42/15 equal to 2x. Now 2x, we want the value of x. So 2 is in multiplication with x, so it will go in division. 42/15 into 2. Now you can cancel 42 and 2. 42/15 15 into 2, 2 ones are 2, 21 twos are 42. Now again 21 and 15 can be cancelled by 3, 3 5s are 15 and 7. Now x is equal to 7 upon 5. You can write down in mixed fraction 7 divides 5, 1 by 2 upon 5 centimeter. Now if we will add 7 upon 5, 7 upon 5 and 4 upon 3, we will get the same perimeter as it is given in the question. Now the equal sides be 1 by 2 upon 5 centimeter.